If DaVinci Resolve 20 is running a little slow, or you want to give it more memory for smoother editing and better performance, this tutorial is going to show you exactly how to allocate more RAM to DaVinci Resolve in just a few simple steps. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the menu at the very top left corner of the interface. This is the main DaVinci Resolve menu, where you can access important settings and preferences. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. If you're on Windows, you can also press Ctrl+, as a shortcut to open the Preferences window faster. Once the Preferences window appears, make sure the System tab is selected at the top. This is important because the memory settings you need are located under the system-level options, not the user settings. Now look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Memory and GPU. This section controls how DaVinci Resolve uses your system resources, including memory allocation and GPU behavior. At the top of the panel, you'll see the Memory Configuration section. This is where you can customize how much RAM DaVinci Resolve is allowed to use. To give DaVinci Resolve more memory, move the DaVinci Resolve slider to the right. Increasing this value allocates more gigabytes of your RAM to the software, which can help improve responsiveness and reduce slowdowns, especially when working on larger timelines or more demanding projects. If you use Fusion effects, compositing, or advanced motion graphics, you'll also want to adjust the Fusion slider. This controls how much of the allocated memory is specifically reserved for Fusion page tasks. Increasing it can help with heavier effects work, but you still want to leave enough memory for the rest of the application and your operating system. The key here is balance. You do not want to set everything to the maximum if your computer needs RAM for other tasks. A good approach is to increase the allocation gradually and test performance as you go. Once you've made your changes, click the Save button at the bottom right of the window. This will store your new memory settings. After that, you need to restart DaVinci Resolve for the new memory limits to take effect. Just close the program completely and reopen it, and your updated RAM allocation will now be active. And that's it. You now know how to allocate more RAM to DaVinci Resolve 20. This small adjustment can make a big difference if you want a smoother editing experience, better performance in Fusion, and more control over how your system resources are being used. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.